liver, when we talk about the liver, then we say, oh yeah, you've just got to smooth the liver or make it work properly, or whatever. But actually there are at least 5 or 6 different characters that are specifically related to actions that we make on the liver. So we can course the liver, or we can run the liver, or we can make it smoother, or we can make it flow better, or all sorts of things like that. Just like the Eskimos have more than 50 names for snow, the Chinese also have very, very specific characters for each zang fu organ that completely fit in with what we call zang fu theory, but is actually very specific instructions related to it. For instance, the characters that you use for the liver are completely different to the characters that you'd use for the spleen, because you're not going to course the spleen, you're going to course the liver. What you need to do with the spleen is you need to firm the spleen. These are things that we don't seem to realise anymore, because we only see things in translation. So we've lost this vast vocabulary. And this very special 2-day course covers only the Chinese characters that relate to the internal organs of Chinese medicine. And this has completely revolutionised my practice, in that I can understand much more clearly what to do. It ties in with the theory really, really well, and it has helped me in my practice very much. So this is a unique opportunity for you to gain access to special Chinese characters and understanding of Chinese medicine that you wouldn't usually get unless you studied for 10 or more years of Chinese language, which most acupuncturists are not willing or able to do.